Hi, in this tutorial I would like to show you how to rotate image and objects in Krita. So in my opinion, the best option to do it is use shortcut Shift Space from your keyboard. After that, you will see this one icon with arrows. It tells you that you can easily rotate your image. So I will do it maybe to the right side. On the left upper corner you can read the angle. It tells you more information about the rotation angle. So of course you can rotate it to the right side or to the left side, everything depends on your preferences. And the second method to rotate your image is based on special tab, so we need to go to image, then we need to go to rotate, and here you have something like rotate image. You can set here custom angle that you want to rotate. So for example, I will set here 10 degrees. And of course you can select here 90 degrees, 180 degrees or 270 degrees. Everything depends on your preferences. And of course you can select here orientation if you would like to rotate it to the left or to the right side. And when you will type your angle, you need to click OK button. And how you see your image has been successfully rotated to specific angle. So it's all for today. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel.